number 1. So I'm going to take my outside hand, and I'm going to step forward, and I'm going to step forward 45 degrees in a nice strong horse stance. I'm blocking to the outside with that outside block. Using my rear hand, I'm going to reach, grab, and knee. Hiya! Good. Let's do it the opposite way. Ready? Load, step, block, grab, knee, height. 2 more times. Ready? Load, step, outside block, grab, knee, height. And the other way. Ready? Load, step, outside block, horse stance, grab, knee, height. Go back. All right, for number 1, I'm going to move to the outside. So as she steps to punch, height, block to the outside of the arm. My pinky is on the same pinky side. Reach, grab the shoulder, and knee. Hiya! One more time. Height. Hiya!